How to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. So if you want to fix your Ryanair app not scanning passport, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection while using your Ryanair application. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problems. Once done, you need to open up your Play Store, go with search and search for Ryanair. After searching, now if you have any updates on your application, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with apps, tap on manage apps. Now here you need to scroll down and then find the Ryanair application, or you can also go with search and search for Ryanair. Tap on it, tap on clear all data, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on OK. Once done, you need to go back and log into your account again, and now you'll be able to scan passport. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.